This video will discuss different ways to search for files in the FUDSChem library, as well as how to use the library index report. For more information on the submitting and approving of library files, please refer to our library submission tutorial video and our library review tutorial video, linked in the description. To submit files to the FUDSChem library, go to Tools, Library, File Submission. As soon as the file is uploaded, it will become available. Once a reviewer is assigned and the file is certified, the file will appear for the reviewer under the Pending Approval tab. Depending on your permissions, you may no longer be able to see files you have uploaded once a reviewer is selected. For more information on permissions, please refer to our FUDSChem Permissions Overview video, linked in the description. The library index report can be used to locate files regardless of the status or who is selected as the reviewer. Let's go to Reports, Reports, Library Index Report. Let's say we are looking for a file that is not yet approved. For this example, the file is assigned to a different reviewer, so we cannot see it in the interface. We'll select Camp Richards as the file category, Well Construction as the file subcategory, Ready to Approve as the status, and click View Report. We are able to see the category and subcategory we selected are displayed in the header of the report. Below, the status, title, review user, and other information is displayed. Note that with the proper permissions, we are able to click on the title to view the file. Additionally, if we download the report, we will be able to open the file by clicking on the title in that document as well. Note that in this case, you will be prompted for your login credentials to ensure that you have access to the file. Let's go back to our FUDSChem window. Once a file is approved, you are able to view the document by going to Library, then selecting the property and document category. Let's go to Library, Camp Richards, Planning Documents. We could use the search bar at the top or the sorting and filtering options to narrow down our results. Alternatively, we could search for a file across all properties and document types by going to Library, Search. As an example, we could search for an SDG number to find associated lab reports or data validation reports. Let's type in 23837 and hit Enter. We are able to see the lab report, data validation report, the said file itself, as well as the eChem deliverables that included this SDG. Clicking on the document name will open a new window where you can view the document as a PDF or save it as a file on your computer or network. Alternatively, right-clicking on the document name will allow you to choose several options for naming the file when it downloads, including Save Target as Server File Name and Save Target as Title File Name. Note that the search feature is a full-text indexing search engine, so we are able to search within the documents as well. For example, we could type in a particular well location name and return with results for the well diagram, field logs, etc. if the text is searchable in the document. In addition to searching for the document name, you could enter the coverage site, publication date, or installation name in the search box and click the search button. You also have the option for a more detailed search. This tool can be accessed by selecting Advanced Search, also under the Library dropdown. Here, the user can choose from many search options including file type, search text, search dates, and file properties. This tool is especially useful when the people uploading the data have been following the naming conventions outlined in our Best Practices Naming Conventions video, linked in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.